Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Pinterest for the traveling perspective. This application, thousands of features are there. Like you can using this platform, you can improve your business scale, expand your business. I saw many features of this particular application, and that one is quite amazing for me because of nowadays I'm doing some traveling in Europe. Using this Pinterest, I can explore very easily of any country and small city within a Europe. So how to use it and what exactly features happening in this particular application. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply just open here Google and type here Pinterest. This application comes in American image sharing and media services designed to enable saving and discover of information to internet using images and on small scale animation, videos, and for many features. So just simply click here. Applications are available on Android and iOS devices. Already signing this particular application using travel options, so automatically all information comes here related to travel. So for example, next week I went in Venice, so I just click here using Venice. So number of people are exploring own experience in this particular Pinterest account, like a top 10 attraction Venice up to this particular which path is perfect and the which sightseeing attraction are amazing. Using this one, just simply I select here like a top 10 attraction, which types of informations are available here. So I just click here. So someone are writing this blog, some basic features, how to you visit, which types of accommodation like it and all, like top 10 Venice hidden games, like 50,000 people are following the lady or the guy, and some basic informations are available here. Just simply click again here, top 10 basic hidden features, like here which types of top 10. Number 1, you can visit here, explore this place. 9 number, what exactly specification of this particular place they are explaining here. 1800-year-old traditional activities are going, some they providing you information within a text format also, what exactly address of this particular location. 8 number location, like 7 number location, and which location number 1, what exactly in best place in the Venice, accordingly explanation of this and what happened in this particular place. They are providing you all information very easily. Suppose you are not like this particular informations, you can change this one. Again read next one, someone are explaining again more simplest 24 best things to do in Venice. So you can open here, otherwise you can download this application. Where exactly you are going, accordingly you search in this particular application, learn many things about this particular blog. 27 things in Venice they are providing, like number 1 basilica is this, and then number 2 is this, and number 3 is this, and some specifications also they providing you as a text format. You can read this information and explore accordingly, small to small city or any other country. That one is an amazing application for the traveling perspective. Some different advantages also available here, like traveling related, photography, destination, food, hacking, videos. So many features are available on that particular application. You visit or you download, and accordingly you enjoy your traveling plan and this particular application features. That one is quite amazing. You visit, create your account and enjoy this application features. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.